In front of me is Motorola Moto G05, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on gestures. Now tap on one-handed mode here and use this switcher to activate it. Then hit full screen into reach and follow all of those instructions. Just slide down from the bottom edge of the screen. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you are using True Keys navigation, scroll all the way down instead and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit Got It and tap on your shortcut to enable or disable one-handed mode. To turn it off completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!